Functional groups are a attachment or a branch that you can put on a carbon chain, and the carbon chain can have double bonds, triple bonds. It can have regular chloros, bromos, all the normal substituted items can be on a chain, and then you can add these other features. Some of the most common ones are alcohols. When you add an OH on the end, you change the ending to OL. Another common one is carboxylic acids. You can see here it is a C double bond O and then an OH on the end, and so that changes the ending to anoic acid. Aldehydes are just a double bond O with an H, and that changes the ending to AL, so ethanol. So whenever you see a strangely written or something different than the regular ANE, ENE, or YNE, you may have a functional group attached. What it is showing in this graphic is the R stands for a carbon chain. So you can see that your carbon chain is attached to an OH, you have an oxygen in the middle, you have all these other features, and those are your functional groups. You will change the ending for most of them, and sometimes you will actually number the carbon that they're attached to. For instance, in ketones, you add the number of carbon that they're attached to. The rest are pretty much just endings at the end. You won't have to memorize these, but you should expect to see the most common ones like alcohols, anoic acids, and let's go with aldehydes, and probably even ketones. So go ahead and remember these, or at least recognize these, so that whenever you have to name some of these in worksheets and such, you'll know what they are.